Today we're going to start Chapter 10. This is going to be more like a review. And Chapter 10 is called conics. And conics are what you get when you slice through cones. And the conics we're going to talk about are circles, parabolas, ellipses, and hyperbolas. So a circle, here's a diagram. A circle is what you get when you slice through a conic parallel to the base. A parabola is what you get when you slice at an angle down through to the base. An ellipse is what you get when you slightly angle from the position of a circle. And a hyperbola is almost like two parabolas. You go slice through both bases of a double cone. And here are the standard forms of the equations. X squared plus y squared equals 9. This is actually x squared plus y squared equals r squared. And here's our old standard parabola, y equals x squared. And don't forget there's also the form x equals y squared, which opens up horizontally. X squared over a squared plus y squared over b squared equals 1 is the format for an ellipse, and it is always equal to 1. X squared minus a over a squared minus y squared over b squared equals 1. Again, always equal to 1. This is minus. Try to think of it as it's apart. It's not together. An ellipse is plus. It would be together. So, section 10-5 or 10-1. Oh God, is circles. Okay, so let's just do a quick review of equations. Here's an equation of a line, y equals mx plus b format. Slope intercept. Here's the standard form. Point slope. I will slow down when I get through this. This is an equation for a parabola that opens which way?
Sideways. No, right up. U.
Up. Thank you. This, oh, does anybody remember this? This is still a parabola that opens up, but what's different? It's shifted. Thank you. Do you remember which way it shifted?
Left, right.
This one's up.
Yeah.
This one's up. We will review that. Okay, circles. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, circle equations are of this form. It's x squared plus y squared equals r squared. So what's the radius of this circle? The radius of circle is 4. Does anybody want to try to guess where it's centered on? Where is its center? It's at the origin, 0, 0.
Good job.
We can shift these, just like we shifted the parabolas, and we also shifted, if you remember a long time ago, the absolute value equations. Okay, I think we did this, but here is an equation for a circle. I can tell it's a circle because it's equal to some number that's not 1. So the center of this circle is 0, 0, the origin, and the radius is 4, square root of 16. Okay, here's a very similar yet different equation. It is also a circle, and I can tell you it's a circle because this is not 1. Okay? So it's a circle. What's its radius? 4. But look at, whereas this was at 0, 0, where do you think this one is?
1, 1.
1, 1 is its center. Makes sense, right? Remember when we did the parabolas and the absolute values, we shifted them, we used h and k. Does anybody remember h and k? H goes with the x, k goes with the y. So here's the standard form. X minus h plus squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. Okay, so here's another circle. What's the radius?
Radius is 5.
Where is its center located?
2, 1, 2.
Negative 1,
Positive 2.
positive 2.
What's the opposite?
Well, because the format, the standard form is x minus h.
I'll fill it.
Yeah, so if you end up with the plus sign here, it means that it turns positive. Okay, so here's my circle.
Wait. Oh.
Are you going to use this video like from now on?
Why?
So why are you recording right now then? I was just testing. Oh.
Okay, here's another circle. What is its radius? 8. And where is its origin located? Its center located? 7, negative 2. Very good.
Very good. Very good.
Again, remember, this is the standard form. H and K are the center coordinates. Okay, writing the equation for a circle given certain information. So I'm giving you the information that the circle is at the location 0, 3, and its radius is 2. So what do you think the equation is going to look like? It's going to be x squared plus
y minus 3. I mean, y plus 3.
you were right the first time.
Y minus 3.
Y minus 3 quantity squared equals 4. Okay, remember the equation standard form is x minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared equals r squared. So it's negative. It's a negative form, and this is positive. So all we do is plunk this right down so it stayed negative. And here's one that's not a real number. It's a real number, sorry. It's not an integer. I'm pretty sure it was James that asked this question. So the center of the circle is located on the coordinate plane at 1, 3. Its radius, however, is the square root of 26. So, oh my God, what does that mean? So, what's its location? So what is it going to be? We're going to start with x minus 1 quantity squared plus y plus 3 quantity squared equals what?
26.
26, but it's square root of 26. Where'd you get 26?
Oh, 13.5.
Because so there's a square root of 26 times the square root of 26 just equals 26. Remember the people escaping from home or the jail or the whatever? Do you remember we talked lots and lots about radicals.
It was a jailhouse in Sniper.
The jailhouse rock.